Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Northport, Florida. And today I'm digging out a 14 by 16 pond by almost about 3 feet deep. This is what it looks like here right now. It's going to have a set of stairs in there. I don't know how good this is going to come out, but I'm never good at this stuff. Oh well. Anyways, this is a redo on an existing pond, and this is where the waterfall. This is what I've gotten done so far. Here digging it out by myself. I think I'm down into the woodland. That skimmer is coming out of there. We're putting in 2 of the 6,000 skimmers. I'm sorry, the 1,000 skimmers in here. One with a 10,000 pump, and the other one, I think we're going to put probably a 4 to 8 in that one there. Anyways, this is what I've got done so far. The covering is because of the rain. It kept washing in. I dug it out 6 times, and then finally I said I'm going to wait till the dry season. So I covered this over. This is the stream bed here coming down. And there's going to be another stream bed right in this corner right here. Right in here, coming down into the pond here. There's going to be a fish cave here and a fish cave over here. We're going to split it off into 2 waterfalls, and we're going to try and make this, well, we're going to make it come in also on in the center here, just kind of like meeting up the 2 waterfalls split, and then coming and meeting up in here. Over here and over here will be small waterfalls. We're going to be coming up over here. I've started digging out the other stream bed. We've got another stream bed coming off from here. So we're going to be coming out right over here where my shadow is, right in the middle of the stream bed. And coming down, we're going to be bringing a small waterfall right about where my shadow is there on my hand. And then it'll drop down, and then it'll drop down again into here, and then one more drop into a basin here, and then we'll be off into the pond over here with a nice little stream. And we're going to try and widen this out a little bit more. The lily pads are going here, and over here where the pile is piling up for the dirt, where you see the flagstone is going to continue a walkway coming through here. That's a tabletop I dropped on my foot. And then joining up with the flagstone that's already there into a path here. Where these bromeliads are is going to be a little sitting area to be able to watch the frog pond, which is going to be rebuilt after this one here. We'll be redoing that and making it a little bit bigger. Right now it's got some jaguar cichlids in it from South America. But there's the waterfall box. I wish I could have gone with the 6,000 on the Aquascape, but I didn't have enough in points, so I ended up getting the Atlantic, which is still pretty good. I fixed it up. It's going to have a 3-inch pipe and a 2-inch pipe coming into that, so we'll be able to run both. And if you want to shut the 10,000 off, you'll be able to run the 4 to 8 at probably 8. When the 10,000 is running, you can run it at 4. And that'll give you a little bit more volume coming out. Or you can turn it up to 8 and have a lot of volume coming out. But anyways, this is what she's going to look like. I don't know if you can imagine all that, but it's going to take me a little bit to get it done. I'm working this myself. Unfortunately, I thought I was going to have some help, but I guess not. I'll be doing this alone, but that's okay. It's good. 1 shovel at a time, that's all it takes. And it'll get done. Just 1 shovel at a time. Well, I hope everybody's having a great day, being safe out there, and let's pray all this whole mess that we're in gets taken care of and we can go back to our lives again. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.